Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. I'm going to be doing a flip through of all of my planners and notebooks, as you can see in the description. And it feels like every month this stack gets bigger and bigger. So hold on with me as I show you all of this. So this one is just my list notebook. I'll show you what I do in here. My journal. This is social media. Meal planner, wellness planner, my catch-all, and then this is my daily grind. So let me just start with the daily grind and show you how that's been going, and then we'll go from there. If this is your first time joining, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. If you have been here before, welcome back. I'm so happy you're here. And let me show you all of this. So I do have some affiliates within this flip through that you guys can rely on and use my codes if you choose to. So this is Daily Grind. You can use code Kasha for 10% off. So they have, this is a luxe cover. And yeah, let's go through my March. So this is the monthly. I just colored this in. And then I did a brain dump. Then we have, this is what this looks like. So I just used their markers and I used stickers from Easter Case, which you can also use Kasha for 12% off. So look at this. This is from Mojo Jojo. And then all these stickers so far are from Easter Case. So this is how it was going in March. There we go. And then I did a green one. And obviously St. Patty's Day. These stickers are from Easter Case. It was a fun way to do some pages like so. This is a top 3. Yeah. More green, more Etsy stickers that I bought and printed. You can see I skipped a day. It's not often that happens. Did not do my weekly review. And then this is technically the last week of March. And then we have the week through April 6th, and I did not do much in here. And then there's a spring insert that I have. You can always watch that video as well. I'm gonna go ahead and transfer this into here. It's kind of where I've been putting all of my used months. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And then I'll be moving into a new month. Yeah, so this is also on the disc system. It is not a plastic size like the Happy Planner. So yeah, I'll show you all of it in just a second. Okay. Perfect. So now I can start fresh again. There we go. And then this can live up here. So yeah, the things that I have used live in that cover for at least now. So that is done. Let me show you my social media next. My social media is, well, let me show you. There's a dashboard layout. It's called Become What Inspires You. We're going to go to March. So this is my currently page for March. Just make sure that you guys can see everything. Perfect. So this is the currently page for March. This was made with spring florals from Live Love Posh. This was made with a Luxe Spring from Live Love Posh. And I just use these dots that are washi dots, kind of plan out my videos. This is Walk into the Forest from Easter Case. And then I just do film, edit, publish. And then this is the weekly schedule. Same, walk into the forest from Easter Case. Look how pretty these stickers are. Then this was something that I made with my Cricut. I just purchased images from Etsy and created that. And this is Hello Spring from Live Love Posh. So yeah, and then April currently. So that is what this planner looks like. Let's go into my Mio planner next. Let's see. So March has this lovely girl on this side because I don't use currently. I did not do anything with this monthly either. I just decorated it and it's beautifully lined from Live Love Posh. This is one of my favorite sticker books ever. This is Posh Winter from Live Love Posh and some pet tape stickers. This is also Posh Winter, just edged it. And then I plan breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This is a teacher layout. It's called A Reading in a Garden, and it's typically dated up here Monday through Friday. So I cover that up and I put the days of the week on top and call it a meal plan. And then this way, if it's not dated, I can use it for next year as well and the year after that. So this is another one, also Posh Winter. I've been sticking to that book with the same pet tape girls and same thing here. So pretty easy, nothing really crazy. I've done some really good meals from here. We also had a couple unexpected celebrations that we went out. So yeah, that is my meal plan. Next is my wellness plan, and let me show you that one. So this is my currently page, and it is a spring florals from Love Posh. It has like this almost pastel feel to it. It's super cute. Then this is from Spring Allure, and it's also from Live Love Posh. It's these flowers are super cool. This is from Enjoy the Moment from Easter Case. It's one of their books and it came out so good. Look how vibrant these stickers are. This is a Chic Fitness from Live Love Posh. Self-explanatory. So again, I keep breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. And then I track whether I took my meds, how I felt, how much I slept, and how much I moved. And then we have this one, obviously for St. Patty's Day, tracking the same things. This is from Etsy. And then this one is Love Melody from Easter Case. This was our anniversary, so I wanted to make it kind of romantic and special. And that is it for March. So pretty quick. Let me go through my journal next for you guys. They said this is so quick. Okay. So my March, yeah, that was February. My March starts here. I had some goals that I wasn't able to accomplish. I also had some goals that I did accomplish. So that is pretty good. This is from the same Walk in the Woods from Mr. Case. These stickers are from JoJo's Little Paper Shop, and so are these. And then let's see, I track a couple things. So I track like I write a best memory up here. Then, like, I was sick, we had International Women's Day. We had a Chicago weekend where we spent the whole weekend in Chicago. I had a conference, and then we had 7-year anniversary. I was watching Love is Blind and Blacklist, listening to podcasts, reading Unsaid, and that was an amazing book, you guys. So that is this page. And also, this is JoJo's Little Paper Shop, Pretty Paper Shop, and she's on Etsy, and these stickers, she makes them every year. And you can just purchase the whole thing. This is, again, stickers from Easter Case I'm just using. This is the river, the Walk in the Woods. These stickers are from, like, different books. 10 things that make me happy that I wrote in here. Let's see. And then again, this is from Planner Press. It's a subscription box. So super cute. And then I went back to the walk in the woods since it was like March and I like green in March. Same thing here. Let's see, what did I do here? At planner time, I watched my nephew, had a busy day. Look how cool these fit. Like, I do not do Dutch doors, but look how cool it is. I did an AM and PM routine for myself. These stickers are from Crafty Planner Queen. And then back to the forest, then Patty's Day. These are Etsy stickers. I thought that would be cool to incorporate some of these. And then these are the planner press stickers as well. So these are a printable subscription. They print every day, and that is April. So that is my whole journal. It is one of my favorite things in the world. Let me show you this notebook. So this notebook is kind of different. It's a little bit of everything. So I like write my planner lineup and stuff like that in here. I have an inventory of what I have that is like used or unused, so I know what I have. Like, look at how many extension packs I have, undated planners. So let me show you from the beginning. So I made this content page. This is a happy planner notebook that I just converted. And then I have planner lineups 2019, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And then I left a couple pages for more lineups as they come. So I have this and this. And I have planner inventories. So guided journals, daily planners, undated planners, extension packs, and outdated planners. So those are the categories that I have. Then I did 2025 goals. This is technically a list notebook for me. Then I did another AM PM routine in here so I can have it in this spot. So when my journal retires for next year, I will still have this notebook. And then I made these different pages in here that I write different things. So I have like 10 life lessons. Like the more you say, the less you say, the more your words will matter. You will never truly know the value of a moment until it becomes a memory. And then I wrote 10 habits of highly confident people, like maintaining eye contact, not bragging, practice for active listening. Then I made 2 pages of things that make me happy and things that make me sad, and I can keep adding stuff to it. And then habits to make and habits to break, and then how to hack your happy hormones. So dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin, and endorphins. And then I decorated a whole bunch of pages in here that I'm going to be adding lists to. So when I have time, I sit and I decorate this notebook. And then I have pages where I can just sit and make lists like so. They do make me very, very happy. Okay, last but not least is my catch-all planner, which is my ride or die. So let's go into it. So this currently page for March is made with Chic Spring. And let's see, I was crafting planner plus a pretty food. Yeah, I've been plating food pretty much. Watching Love is Blind, learning more about finances. I want to do like a deep dive. Drinking lots of sparkling water. I am such a like fiend when it comes to drinking mineral sparkling water. Eating lots of cooked meals, meaning like home cooked meals, and then playing lots of podcasts and audiobooks, anticipating anniversary, feeling excited, and working on self-esteem. I am working on my weight and self-esteem in general. And I have celebrating is my anniversary. So this is what the monthly looked like. This was made also with Hello Spring from Live Love Posh. These stickers are just so happy and lovely. It's very bright, so I really enjoyed it. This is Spring Elements from Live Love Posh. This was an International Women's Day, so I wanted to make sure that it's like fun and women are kind of the focal point of this, right? So let's see, spring is in the air, such a nice day out. Yeah, so that was good. I did a huge grocery haul. I did that. I had lunch with my friends, or yeah, family time, and then dinner with my boyfriend's family. So little stuff like that. And yeah, very, very like big and full. So like I put up here that my boyfriend was sick. Snow, we had snow even though it was like 70 degrees the day before. Then this one is Spring Allure from Live Love Posh. And I thought that came out very cool too, very different. And once I filled it in, it looked a lot different and like better. And I really do like the tiny little bullet points. I put like self-care, skincare, hair care in here. That was good. Home cleaning. We had a lunch with the daily grind. I had another night with Alex's family. I had an appointment. My dog had an appointment. So yeah, all good things. This is Etsy and Mojo Jojo combined. I like that she had these like gold, rose gold stickers or gold stickers that I was able to combine with the green. And yeah, this is what it looks like when you pull it up. So this is one image that I cut. Um, Again, this is all from um, Etsy, and I buy images and I make stickers. So yeah, we had our anniversary weekend up here. That was good. I had a sushi day with my sister. And then this is the last week of March that I have. So this was Spring Love from Love Love Posh, brand new sticker book. This is a very pastel. I kept all of the to-do lists on the top, all of the boxes in the middle, and then lots of decorations on the bottom. It's been kind of a flow like that, and I've been doing that. So I just changed it up this upcoming week, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, so far so good. So that's what it looks like. I did meal prep, which is usually my Sundays. I went to see my parents. Um, I was at a conference. Yeah, couple like normal things, but that is it. And that was my March. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about this. Like I said, it is a lot and I do a lot and not everybody has to do as much. This just helps me and plus it's such a good creative outlet for me. I love doing it. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you had a favorite spread and I'll see you soon. Bye.